Meaning of futurology.
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 Futurology. Futurology refers to the study of possible future developments or trends in various fields, such as technology, economics, and social issues. This field of study employs various methods including scenario planning and trend analysis to predict potential future outcomes. Futurologists use their understanding of current trends and historical data to make educated guesses about how society and technology may evolve in the coming years. Their predictions can be used by businesses, governments, and individuals to plan for the future and make decisions accordingly. Futurology is a constantly evolving field of study, adapting to new developments and changing circumstances.